Hi everyone, thanks for clicking on our video. My name is Cheryl. This video is to show you how we make sausage here at Screech's Smokehouse Barbecue. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Screech's Smokehouse Barbecue. Enjoy the video. Here we have about 15 pounds of brisket trim. It's about 70-30 meat to fat ratio. We put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes so it's nice and cold when going through the grinder to keep it from smearing the fat. We're using the largest die our grinder came with, which is 6mm. We only grind it once because 6mm is on the smaller side. Here we are weighing out 10 pounds. We will use the remaining meat for other things. We're adding 1 pound of water to 125 grams of milk powder. Then, "12 grams of pink curing salt, 90 grams kosher salt, 25 grams mustard powder, 25 grams granulated garlic, 15 grams black pepper, 12 grams paprika, 5 grams cayenne, and 5 grams chili powder. Mix until spices are incorporated or until your whisk breaks. Pour mixture over your meat and mix well until your meat has a tacky consistency. Make sure to keep your meat cold. Load the meat into the stuffer, pushing down really well to prevent air pockets. Open it in with your fingers to capture some water in the casing to make it easier to put on the horn. We soak the casings in warm water for at least an hour to loosen them up and rinse the packing salt off. These are the casings we use. We've tried others, but these have worked the best for us. Tie a knot at the end of the casing and start filling it up. For the simplicity of this video, I'm turning the handle, although it can be done by one person. We are not concerned at this time how tight it is. We are going to measure and twist them into lengths when finished. Here we marked 8 inches on our sheet tray to measure our lengths. Then we pinch and twist to make them plump. Now that they are done, we put them on wire racks on cookie sheets to dry out the casings overnight in the fridge. It's the next day, so we are cutting at the twist to separate them. We put them back on the wire racks, making sure they don't touch, to go on the smoker. We are cold smoking at 150 degrees for 2 hours. After 2 hours, flip and rotate the sausage and smoke for another 2 hours, maintaining 150 degrees. When the internal temperature of the sausage reaches 150 degrees, we pull them off, wipe them off, and cool them off in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. After about 15 minutes in the water, we dry them off and vac seal them. We place them back in the fridge until just before service the following day. Just before service, we smoke them at 275 for 30 to 40 minutes until the internal temperature is 150 degrees. Slice them in coins and sell by the half pound. Juicy and plump. Don't forget to ring the bell to be notified of our new videos. Thanks again for watching.